Hi guys. I am Naveen. Today I brought a little tutorial. Today I am going to introduce you about the Photoshop purge option. We make different types of designs using Photoshop software. But the problem that affects me and you here is that this software often lags in very complex editing. The purge option can be used as a solution to this problem. This will delete the edit story that records are kept in Photoshop. Use this method only when there is no other method. Why? If you make a mistake, you will not be able to go back and edit it again, because the edit story is deleted.
Okay. Let's see how it is done. Click Edit. Click Purge. Click on Histories. Then click OK. Here's how my edit history is cleaned up. Okay. If you learned something, subscribe to me. Have a nice day.